Welcome back, everybody. All right, on to task 2. So I just switched courses. The courses have the exact same thing in it, but I just happen to switch as I'm working through updating things. So again, you're going to go into the COVID closure folder. And again, I just want to reiterate, the previous video, we'll talk a little bit about Word Wizard. This video is focusing specifically on the Malala Yousafzai speech or address to the United Nations. So when you open up the folder, after you get through Word Wizard items, the first thing you'll do, here's the link for the video that I'm currently recording, okay? And I just kind of put something there just for the sake of putting something there, but obviously this will be edited and have the correct link for the video that I'm currently recording. All right, and then you're gonna open up this PDF. And the PDF is going to have the speech that you're looking for. Now, if you are someone who would prefer to listen as opposed to read, have no fear, that is also an option for you. What I did was in the Google form I've linked in the video. I actually probably will take a minute to just link in the folder as well. But here's the speech. Okay, so I know the PDF seems a little overwhelming because it says that there are 8 pages. But really it's only the first 4, I believe. Actually, it's just 3, and then there's, there's 4, and then that 5th page is just that last sentence. Okay, you don't need to worry so much about the questions yet. So you are going to answer these questions. They're just going to be in a Google form, and along with these questions, there are going to be a couple extra. Okay, please pace yourself with the questions. They are pretty challenging questions. We wanted it to be worth your while, but we also wanted you to be able to analyze these texts. So going back, this is the PDF, but when you go back to the week 5 folder, you're going to need to access this Google form, okay? And in the Google form, what it's going to do, and if it's giving you this error, just click this little option here. And when it opens up, then it'll give you the actual Google form. So here's the speech that I was talking about. It's right there. Okay, it's linked right in. Okay, again, I will take a minute to add that to the folder as well. I didn't think of that. I also went and put the PDF right here as well. So you could always just click this and it'll open up the PDF for you again. And then there's the video. So the questions, all the answers you're going to need are going to be in this PDF. Okay. Some of them are going to be a short answer response, and some of them will be multiple choice. Please pace yourself with these questions, guys. They are challenging. You do really need to think about them. Okay, if it's helpful, if for the writing pieces, maybe you can copy and paste the question into a Google Doc and then type your answers there first and then copy and paste it back into the Google form. Whatever works best for you. Just remember that Google form is not going to save anything for you. So for example, let's say you're working and you make it all the way through question 3 and then, you've got to go do something else and you exit out of the form, or, you walk away from it for a while, or I don't know, something happens to the computer, it's not going to save your responses. So since they are challenging questions, and it probably will be a time-worthy or a time-consuming, I should say, activity, I'm really suggesting that if it is going to take you a while to work through it, you may want to have your answers typed up somewhere else so you don't lose them. Again, not a requirement. I'm not expecting you guys to share a bunch of Google Docs with me. This is what I'm grading. I'm grading the Google form itself. Okay. Obviously, you guys are familiar with Google form. When you're finished, you just hit that submit button and then you're good to go. Okay. That's it. You're done for the week. You get Word Wizard done and you get this done. Okay. The questions are more challenging, which is why we've given you the whole week to just read this one article or this one speech. Okay. You may want to read the speech as you watch, okay? So you can read along as you're playing the video. You may just want to solely watch the video. You may just solely want to watch the speech. You get the point. The resources are available to you, though, if you need them, okay? I believe I've covered everything that you need to know in order to complete this, but if you can think of any questions, just let me know, and I'm happy to answer them. All right, guys, good luck, and thank you.